A pattern is a method to communicate concepts related to complex subject areas and perform complex tasks. For example, consider soccer or American football. A game plan is created to define the pattern of movement for each player in the game. Each player pattern to move quickly against targeted opponents. The movement pattern of each player is part of a larger pattern of orchestration. Patterns define the responsibilities and the scope for each player. Similarly, you can apply business processes. Patterns are reusable design guidance that serve as a framework to build solutions for common problems. You can use patterns to leverage strategies that are already tried by experts and mitigate issues that may arise during development. You cannot use a pattern in your code. It is just a template that helps you solve a similar problem in different situations. A pattern identifies the type of the problem and provides generic guidance to solve the problem. Patterns provide solutions for problems that are not unique and occur frequently. You can apply the generic across a large number of situations. You need to understand the situations in which this generic is applicable and customize the solution to meet your design requirements. Each pattern defines a specific design problem, surrounding the problem, and provides a solution that can be applied in different situations. Because each pattern defines a specific design problem related to other patterns. A collection of interrelated patterns forms a pattern language, which is also called design. Pattern-based design simplifies integration of enterprise solutions by offering predictability, risk mitigation, and improved productivity. To understand how to apply patterns and design a suitable baseline architecture, consider a scenario. AdventureWorks is a company that sells outdoor equipment like tents, backpacks, skis, and rafts. The company has warehouses in various locations. The company often receives inquiries from their wholesalers regarding availability of a particular product and the product cost. You need to design the architecture of an order broker system for AdventureWorks that checks if the stock is available with different warehouses and provides information regarding the stock, such as availability, cost, and the number of days required to ship the product to the wholesaler. To design the baseline architecture for this scenario, you can divide the responsibilities of the order broker system into following tasks. Receive requests from wholesalers. Send requests to warehouses. Process replies from the warehouses and reply to the wholesalers. After receiving requests from multiple wholesalers, the order broker system sends these requests to different warehouses. To send the requests to specific warehouses that stock the required type of product, you can use a message router pattern such as the message filter. You can design the system to send a request to one warehouse, process its reply, and then send a request to another warehouse. You can also design the system to send parallel requests to all warehouses and process the replies as they are received. In this case, you can consider using the parallel convoy pattern to improve the processing time taken by the order broker system when sending parallel requests to all warehouses. Next, the order broker system needs to process the responses received from the warehouses. You want the order broker system to identify the warehouse nearest to the wholesaler that can fulfill the order. For this, you may need to combine the responses of all the warehouses to process them. You can consider using the aggregator pattern to condense multiple messages into a single message so that you can combine and process the results of related messages. Finally, the order broker system needs to reply back to the wholesalers with order details. It is likely that the message format expected by the wholesalers may be different from the internal message format generated by the aggregator. You can consider using the message translator pattern to translate the data format into the required format. Patterns help you communicate design decisions and implement strategies to mitigate technical challenges that are faced later during the development phase. Using patterns, you can create an initial architecture blueprint without getting into the details of technologies or tools.